Hi, my name's Josh Lally. I've been in the roofing industry for about 8 to 9 years now. Started off as a labourer as soon as I left high school, picked up the trade fairly quickly. Decided to bump heads with a pal of mine and started a company that's been going for about 6 years now, 6.5 years. I specialise as well in concrete pan tiles, clay plain tiles, Welsh slates, fibre cement slates, um, your flat roofing, which is like mainly fiberglass, and a product called Triflex out in the UK. I have done a bits and bobs of torch on felt with the gas bottle, but we preferably don't try to use that out in the UK as much now. Um, Experiencing fascia soffit guttering, cladding, metal sheet cladding for the factories, Kingspan insulation. We don't use that as much. We only use that when we are doing the cladding around the factories, and only in like vaulted ceilings inside your houses. Sadly, I haven't got any qualifications as I was a labourer before. The company I was with took all the labourers off the course to get yourself your roofing qualification. So I've just picked up the knowledge and experience over the last about 8 to 9 years. So like I said in the last interview, I've been running the company now for about 6 years. That's managing various different guys, lads, labourers, qualified roofers. We've done a fair amount of site work, so I'm hands on with like talking to the site agents, prepping materials, getting ready for the next plot of houses that are going to be going up, managing the team, getting everything organised, um, talking with site agents, keeping your health and safety up to scratch. But as far as like how we plan work, we go out there, have a look at the job previously, get everything organised, get the materials, get everything set for a certain day. Then we tend to just jump on it when the materials land. Then we decide to manage the lads to see who's better in certain positions to do the job that we need to do, i.e. lead work, um, the stripping, or flat roofing as such. Um, Leading teams, I mean, that's not an issue. I have the utmost respect for everyone, treat everyone equally the same. So yeah, it's yeah, quite confident in leading teams, organising materials, getting stuff in place, looking out for the future, identifying the problems that could come up as we view the job previously. To organise the materials, I like to just double check, triple check everything, and if there's any issues that pop up there and then we just knock it on the head and we get on with things and sort it out accordingly. My experience in Kingspan insulated panels, we tend to only use them on factory roofs as it's a requirement in the industry in the UK that everything's got to be Kingspan in the factories, especially if it's like doing a cladding job for like a supermarket like Tesco's, Morrison's, like your co-ops, Asda's, Aldi's, all of them. They're all insulated. So yeah, across the 6 years I've been doing it and running it with me and my fellow business partner, I have got the knowledge inside with the Kingspan insulated panels. Same again with the metal roofing and cladding. I have got the experience there. Again, if it's different out in Australia, it's something that I can pick up fairly quickly, be efficient with it, and I always take pride in my work because quality is number one for myself. Cladding profiles, cladding your houses, all of that sort of stuff. It's sort of generic for ourselves. Um, yeah, it's really generic. So organising materials, putting the stuff on, it's just not a problem for myself. Yeah, I'm quite experienced in that sort of stuff. Regarding using software, we haven't actually used the software to make notes, organise stuff, and all of that. We tend to just use our phones, write the list down, list what we've got, call up the roofing yards, plastic yards, cladding places, metal sheet places, and just order it through there. But I'm more than willing to learn the software that you guys use over there. That's not a problem. Like I said in the previous one, I'm a quick learner, so that wouldn't be a problem at all.